Let me show you how to clear the codes for your LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener. You might want to do this if you lose your remote, or if somebody stole your remote, or maybe someone has a remote that you don't want to have access to your garage. As you'll see when I press the remote, the garage door opens.
What you'll need to do is locate the Learn button on the back of the operator's motor. On mine, it's a yellow circular button, but in some older models of LiftMaster and Chamberlain, they used a square orange, red, or purple button.
What you're gonna wanna do is press and hold this button, and when you do that, this indicator light is gonna turn on, and you wanna press and hold the button until the light turns off. So I'm gonna press and hold, see how the light turns on? And now it's turned off. And that's it. It's pretty simple, really. And you'll notice that now that we've erased the codes, this remote won't work. And neither would anything else that's wirelessly connected to this motor, such as a keypad or a wireless wall button or something like that. If you have any trouble with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.